Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and we are here with another Ride Wrench review. This episode is all about a 2022 Road Glide ST. We got this beautiful gray machine straight from the factory, and I'm giving it a few 100-mile test ride just to see how she works out. So this bike, out of the box, rides amazingly. But V-Twin Visionary wants to make them faster and handle better no matter what bike it is. So what we're doing is, Motorwitch is going to put a 131-inch motor from Screaming Eagle in this thing, and we're going to do some Olin suspension, a new exhaust, and then we're going to top it off with a bunch of other really cool Harley-Davidson parts and accessories. So a little bit on this bike. Yes, it is a Milwaukee 8 powered bagger. A lot of people prefer the Road Glide to the Street Glide style because the shark nose is fixed to the frame. I am one of those people. I also like the Milwaukee 8 motor. This bike has a 117 in its stock, which is amazing. There's a ton of power. This thing goes and goes and goes stock from the factory. Though it has the stock suspension on it, Harley's really put in a lot of time and development getting the front end to work right from the factory. The back end, the shocks need a little help, and that's why we are going to put new shocks on this bike. All in all, this bike is really great handling. The ergonomics on these Milwaukee 8 baggers are second to none, especially the ST has a lower seat, so even somebody like me who's 5'10" can sit on it very comfortably and still flat-foot it. The handlebars have always been a point of contention for me. Year after year, Harley seems to be doing a little bit better with this. Another really cool thing on the ST baggers is the engine guard is the cool small one now, and the fairing bracket, the lower fairing bracket, is completely different than any other Road Glide model. It's got a shorty fender. Of course, it's got Brembo brakes on it that stop really well. ABS, of course, which is stock on any really good Harley-Davidson now. I really like the design of the new tail light on it. It looks really cool. I think all in all, this bike is a ripper out of the box. I really dig the gray paint. The black paint, of course, is awesome. So now that we've ridden the bike a bunch, and we really love it, now we're going to tear it apart and build it into a super bagger. So check it out.